Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to do dollar cost averaging or DCA on Trojan Bot. In order to do this, you will have to click on the link that I have given you in the description so that you will be redirected on Trojan Bot on Solana. If you click on that link and if you use that link, then you will get the 10% discount on your trading fees for lifetime on Trojan Bot. So once you are over here, you can either click on the start button or you will have to first click on the menu button and then click on the start button. So once you do this, you are going to see various options that are provided by Trojan Bot, and you will notice that DCA is also one of them. So you will have to click on the buy button first, then it will ask you to enter a token symbol or address that you want to buy. So in order to find the token, what you can do is you can simply go to this website that says dexscreener.com. Now once you are on Dex Screener, you just have to hover over to the left hand section and then click on Solana. So once you do this, it will show you all of the tokens that are available on Solana. So you can filter it out with the help of the volume and based on its market cap. So if I click on volume, then it will show you all of the coins that have high volume in the last 6 hours. So here among this list, you just have to select that coin which you want to buy on Trojan Bot. So let's say I want to buy this coin that says dog with head. So I'll simply click on it. Now once the chart of the token or the coin that you have selected is open, you will have to click on the copy button right next to their name. Then it will show you the prompt that says address is copied to the clipboard successfully. So after copying it, you will have to come back to your Trojan Bot. Here you just have to paste the address and then you need to press enter. Once you've done that, you will be able to see various options over here like swap, limit and DCA. So you need to make sure that this checkbox is on DCA. Then you just have to select the amount of Solana that you want to spend in intervals. So here the 5 Solana is selected. Then in the slippage, as you want to buy it, so I would recommend you to keep it between 10 to 20%. So you can keep the slippage at 15%. After that, you just have to select the intervals. So you just have to click on the interval button and then you just have to select the interval. You can keep it in 1 day or 7 days. Then you just have to click on the duration, and after that you can select the duration in hours. If you want, you can even set the minimum price and the maximum price. After doing all these things, you will have to click on the create order button, and this way your order, or basically your DCA order, will be created on Trojan Bot. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.